Hello everyone. So after a full day, like it was from like 11 a.m. to now it's about like 9:30 p.m. Okay, so I have two things. Never mind, the hair it's still the same from the morning, which is good. I used this one. I had a full review about it and how to use it in straight hair and how to use it in a curly hair. So I curl my hair with it. It's not the best, but that's because after I curl my hair, I just pull it up so I can like wash my body and take a shower. I think that really messed everything up, but you can see it still look good. So it's still as it is. And I traveled back and forth, so just like about like 5 or 6 hours traveling and a lot of things in between. So this is my makeup. I just touched up a little bit. I didn't add lip color. I didn't add any blush. I just like use a little bit of powder, like a tissue to remove any oils, and like a little bit of powder to like matte everything because it was hot today. And I was sitting in the sun the whole way from my town to Cairo, so it was so bad. It was so hot, so my skin became a bit oily today, but that's normal for me because I have a combination skin. And as you can see, the makeup is still good as it was in the morning. And the lip color I used, I used the vinyl, but not this color. I have it in my purse. I'm gonna like write the name in the description box down below. I use this one. It's really good. I didn't eat, just drink. But actually it's really good. It doesn't move. Like, doesn't move. Like, can you see? Nothing at all. It's really good. I really love it. I have a lot of colors. I'm gonna make a review about them and swatch it later. But as you can see, I'm so happy actually. I thought that when I come back home I will be in a mess, and you know, everything is bad. The mascara, I'm trying a new mascara, so I'm testing it, so it's really good. Of course I'm gonna make a review about it as well later. And I'm wearing my lens. This is the Urban Layer Syree Green. I had a review about it. You really like it. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below, but this one I'm wearing it from the morning till now, so I guess it's like you know, I can't tell how many hours, about like 10 hours, maybe 10 or 11 hours. And as you can see, my eye's a little bit red, but that's normal for me with all the lens. My eye after all the time become red, but I don't feel any pain. I don't feel it's not comfortable. It's really nice, and I feel it's really good. And the redness, it doesn't hurt, like nothing. That's normal thing for me because I have a sensitive eyes. So after 10 or 11 hours, like continuously wearing a contact lens, that's normal for me, but I don't feel any pain in my eyes. It's really, really good, and I feel so comfortable. I feel nothing in my eyes actually. Just see like really well, and I feel nothing. It's amazing. I'm really in love. I'm really in love with these lenses. So yeah, I wanted to do that. And today was a great day for me. It's a turning point, so I wanted to record this moment as well. I'm not gonna like say anything about it until it's completely done, but it's turning point. I'm like out of my comfort zone, like big way. So yeah, pray for me and wish me luck, and yeah, I really hope that everything looks good. And for the foundation, I am using the Catrice HD. So 1 minute, I just have it here. I'm using this one, and it's really good. This is the lightest color. This one is light beige and fits me perfectly. I have number 20. This is number 10. I have number 20 here. I use it in my videos. This one is new one, but I really wanted to have a little one because this one become a little bit dark for me. And this foundation oxidized a little bit, like 1 degree, or one shade. So this one, when it oxidizes, I feel like it makes me more tanned, especially we're in winter. So I am in my own color. I am, as you can see, I'm really white, so I need something like not too dark on my face, so I have a contrast. The last time I used it in the video, I found myself in the camera, I looked a bit weird, especially after the contouring and everything. I was just like, why I'm dark? So that's why I decided to buy the lighter shade. So as you can see, it fits me perfectly, like it's just like my skin, just like my skin, and it stays on like for 11 hours. It stays on perfectly, like despite of the oiling, because I have a combination skin. It's really good. Thank you. So this is for this. I really hope you like it, and I'm gonna see you soon.